Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you are following this channel, you would know that in the last video, I explained the entire Cognizant hiring process for 2025 in detail. Due to which that video became too long, so I promised to cover the remaining important information regarding Cognizant hiring in the next video. So as promised, in this video, I have covered where to apply for jobs at Cognizant, Cognizant recruitment process, technical interview questions asked at Cognizant, HR interview questions asked at Cognizant, and a bonus tip to clear their interview rounds. This video is especially for those college students and freshers who are aiming for jobs in top IT companies like Cognizant in 2025. If you're busy right now, but you still find this video and channel relevant, I recommend you to save it for later. These videos are created after a lot of research to ensure you guys get whole information in one go. And if you feel I have missed anything, let me know in the comment section below. We are working on more videos like TCS recruitment process, so stay tuned. Cognizant is a multinational technology company based in United States. It has offices in 35 plus countries with over 11 offices in 11 cities across India. It is known for its work in IT, consulting, information security, ITO, and BPO services. The best part, no matter what field you are in, Cognizant is likely to have a role for you. For freshers, it offers a starting salary of 3 to 4 lakh LPA. It is a great place to learn new technologies. It also provides you the opportunity to work with global customers, which will help you improve your problem-solving ability and communication skills. अब जल्दी से Cognizant के hiring process भी समझ लेते हैं. You can apply for a job at Cognizant through 3 ways. Job portals like Internshala, walk-in interview drives, and Cognizant career page. For that, visit Cognizant career page and then look for a job that matches your skills and interests by applying multiple filters like location, industry, job category, employment type, and model type. Once you find a job you like, fill out the application form by filling out your personal and professional details. Your application will be screened. You must have more than 60% marks in 10th and 12th or diploma and graduation. Full-time degree in BE, BTech, ME, MTech or MCA. At the time of the Cognizant selection process, you should not have any pending backlogs. If you clear their eligibility criteria, you might get shortlisted by Cognizant recruitment team for the next rounds. The first round is assessment round. It is an online test that usually takes place on online platforms. There will be 2 kinds of assessments. Round 1 would be communication assessment and round 2 would be aptitude and technical assessment. After getting the required cutoff in both the assessment tests, you will be invited for the interview rounds at Cognizant. There will be 2 main rounds of interviews, technical interview and HR interview. The technical face-to-face interview round has no hard and fast rule for what questions will be asked. ये आपके जॉब रोल पे डिपेंड करता है. इस राउंड में आपसे आपकी जॉब और डोमेन से रिलेटेड क्वेश्चंस पूछे जाएंगे. They will assess your technical skills and how well you understand your field. To clear this round, you should be clear with your basics like OOPS, DBMS and OS. You do not need to be expert in programming, but you should know at least one language well, like C++, Java or Python. You might be asked to write a code as well. You should be aware of latest tech trends in your field like AI or big data, as it could come up in the conversation. They might ask questions about your resume, things like your past projects, work experience, what you worked on, the technologies you used, and the impact you made. I will recommend that you pursue online courses to master your basics in computer science. Through these courses, you can also work on projects which you can mention in your resume and later can explain during your interviews. Because more or less all tech companies follow a similar interview pattern. Go for online courses that have structured content, provide live projects and also assistance to prepare you for the placements like resume making, mock interview preparation. So do check Internshala Placement Guarantee Courses 1. After clearing the technical interview rounds, you will be called for the HR round. In this round, you will be asked questions about your personality, family background, education, interest, and work experience. There can be questions related to the company as well, like what are the products, services the company offers, what are its core value, when it was formed, its organizational structure, and so on. The purpose of these questions is to assess your communication skills, career aspirants, and if you are culturally fit with the company's value or not. So to help you prepare for these 2 rounds, our team at Internshala has asked a few students who got placed in Cognizant on what kind of questions were asked in the interviews.
आपका जॉब इंटरव्यू प्रोसेस क्या था, किस टाइप के क्वेश्चंस पूछे?
So I have compiled those questions, and here on the screen are some most asked interview questions at Cognizant. It is not likely that you will be asked the same questions, but at least this will give you some idea how to answer and what to prepare. Apart from these questions, some of the candidates were asked to write quotes on these topics as well. We have compiled a few more interview questions along with their sample answers in the Internshala blog, so you can check that as well. For HR interview round, Cognizant has given a few list of questions on their career page. When we asked the candidates, they also confirmed that similar questions were asked during their HR round. Like, I have given a few sample answers for these questions. These answers are only for your reference, so please do not memorize them. Just learn how such questions can be answered. Cognizant has given some guidelines on how to clear their HR round. Like, company encourage the candidates to ask questions to the interviewer. Like, इसके अलावा और भी बहुत सारी गाइडलाइंस दी हैं, जिसका लिंक मैंने डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में चेक कर लिया है, वहाँ पे एक बार जरूर रीड कर लेना. The HR interview round is the last recruitment round. इसके बाद the recruitment team at Cognizant will make their hiring decision based on your responses and performance in the interview. And if you are selected, then you will receive an offer letter along with your joining date from the recruitment team. And with that, I have reached to the end of the video. दोनों ही वीडियोस बहुत ही रिसर्च एंड सिंपल वे में एक्सप्लेन किए गए हैं, तो एक बार चेक जरूर कर लेना. और हाँ, डू नॉट फॉरगेट टू लाइक, शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब टू द चैनल to motivate me and my team. Next, we are working on TCS hiring process, so stay tuned.